Me again. What's in the box time? And this time, it's this box. It's a box I've been waiting on for over a year. Ooh, I hit my mic. Purchased from Monsters in Motion. It's been a little bit of contention there because it's been a very long time. But it did show up. So thank you, Monsters in Motion, for this box. Now, what's in it? Let me start cutting, and we'll find out. It's a big box. Trying to be careful. I think I got my packing slip right here. Monsters in Motion flyer. Put that over there. Put that there. We got another box to cut. We're almost done. Almost. There we go. All right. So what's in the box, everybody? Paper. More paper. Is this still auto white balance? Here we go. All right. How do I get it out? And here we have ooh, this is wrapped nice. Ugh. Whew. All right. I feel like I just ran a marathon. GunHed from Kotobukyia. All right. There we have it. So this kit, when I saw it, it went on pre-order. And I've seen it a couple other, I think this is the same one I've seen on like other people's shelves. It is a transforming mech. So let me just kind of go around the box. You're going to get reflections because it is a glossy box. It feels really nice. It is from the movie GunHed, a Japanese film. I think it was, I want to say it was Toho, but I'm probably totally wrong. I thought it was. But the reason I know about this movie is I did not see it originally as what I thought it was. One of my favorite bands back in the day, Frontline Assembly, did a video for a song called Mind Phaser, and it took clips from GunHed. And we were always like, what is this giant robot movie that is in this video? And it's this, GunHed. So the premise of the movie, there's some underground, it's the future. There's mechs that turn into tanks, that turn into robots. You know, your typical sci-fi stuff. So let's get into this, turn on the overhead lights, and let's open up this box. All right, oh, man. So let's get this off. The box is like that kind of thinner cardboard. It's not like some of the other X Plus stuff that's coming out. This, I am not opening all this. There's no way. Or maybe, like, how is this? Okay, they're all sealed. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on that side, 10 packages. And I don't want to lose all these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put this on my lap, I think, and just kind of show you through the packages what you get. So, wow, already I can just tell. Just the machine, like, it looks really nice. Like, it doesn't, like, the detail on there doesn't look soft, not mushy. I mean, and it has those kind of like, if you ever built a Gundam model, you have these little parts that allow pieces to move and all that. There's some, like a wire bit in here, like a cable. Here's the size of the people that come with it. It kind of gives you a sense of scale as to how big this mech is supposed to be. Here's some clear parts, a little bit harder to see. We have more connector parts. I'm not really sure. I hope the directions are somewhere because I don't see them. Yeah, I think they're on this side. So we have these parts here, some black parts. It feels very Japanese. It feels very Gundam-ish, which is nice. Let me put these back in. Let's see what else we got here. Man, this is going to be... I don't think I'm up to this, actually. Holy cow. I really don't. That's a lot. This is not a figure model. This is... Whoa. All right. Let's get some of these. Oh, man. All right. This is sprue porn. For those of you who love sprues, that's where we're at. Straight up sprue porn. All right, I want to get to the directions. So we have another, some of the bigger, chunkier pieces are on this side. So that was, we have four more bags on this side, 5 more bags. Oh boy. 6 more bags. Here's what I want. This is what I want to get to. Okay, decals or decals if you're from somewhere else in the world. Decals. Decals. All right, let's get these back in. I just want to get to the instructions. So we have this package here. Instructions fell down there. Let's get this. So let's open this up and see what we got. GunHed unit number 507. Now, this is a... When they say instruction book, it's an instruction book. Like, it feels like a Warhammer rule book. It's what it feels like. So let's just kind of jump through this. This is what it looks like. This is what you get. It transforms to tank, to walking tank, to... Who knows? Standing mode, tank mode. Is there another? There's 2 modes. Yeah, it's tank and standing. So it's got its arms out. There's all the pictures of all the sprues. Unit number 507. There. Whoa. I'm terrified. And just looking through these instructions, there's a lot. Oh, look at the gun. Get a cool gun. That's what that... Found out what the cable's for right there. Goes in that gun. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Let's get into some of this. So, here's the GunHed story in Japanese. So, don't know the story of GunHed right now. It has a map. I think they would go underground, the mother tower, and attack this tower. They're trying to turn something off. I'm trying to remember the movie. I think I had a bootleg of it way back in the day, but never actually... I wonder if it's available to watch on anything. I'll have to go check that out. But it has your people painting, like... I still can't get over the amount of instructions. So here we have some actual photographs of what it's going to look like. Tank mode, rolling mode, or standing mode, that's what they called it. You have the little side tractor thing. Oh yeah, and it's kind of latched on. There's your painting, your color guide that comes with that. Kotobukyia, wow. This is awesome. I never thought I would see a plastic kit of this all those years ago when I first saw this movie. And there it is. They did it. And it looks perfect. The movie, it was kind of janky. It wasn't your like super tech. This was before CGI. So I think it was done in miniature at the time. And there were some really cool, really early computer generated effects in there to make it look like kind of just had that kind of 80s, early 90s feel to it, which that's when it came out. But like this is what I'm talking, like those kind of like computer generated that made it look like your low tech future, which I really like as an aesthetic, kind of your cyberpunk kind of feel to it. And wow, GunHed. So that's the instruction book. Honestly, there's 26 pages of instruction, or in this book, 26 pages, because it's unfocused. So yeah, so that's where we are at that. We got a sheet of decals that come with it. Let me set that off to the side. Let me just open up one of these to kind of get you an idea of just the quality on these sprues. So let me open this one just for the heck of it, because I don't want to lose anything in here. Let me just open this one. I don't know if this is ever going to get built, but oh man. All right. This is one of them. So it comes in, most of it is this really nice kind of like military gray plastic. It's almost like a gray green. It feels like what I'm seeing here in person and what it's looking like on camera is very close to what the color is. So you get right up in there, you can see just the detail on some of that, like little tiny hinges, the tanks that are strapped down, this barrel that's strapped down. Really crisp parts, really crisp. Man. And again, if you don't have a sprue cutter, get a sprue cutter. You need one, especially for stuff like this. That's really little fiddly part there. Same with these. What? I know I'm going to drop one of these at some point and then have to roll around on the carpet to try and find it, or the floor. But man, GunHed, I've been waiting for this kit for a while, and I am not disappointed. Kotobukyia, thank you, putting out a great kit. Thank you, Monsters in Motion. If you want to order anything over from Monsters in Motion, monstersinmotion.com. Check them out. That's where I picked mine up. I have seen this floating around in some other stores, so you might be able to find it somewhere else, but that's where I got mine, Monsters in Motion. And wow, GunHed. This is an instruction book. It comes with an actual book. So everybody, hang in there. Until next time, that's the GunHed kit. Let me just real quick get this back. I'm gonna go back over the box art real quick. Let me get this here, this in here. So it all fits in there really nice. It's not, let me kind of get these off to the side. I'm gonna put that on that side. Fits in there really nice. It is a nice box. And Kotobukyia, they usually don't cheap out on these boxes. It feels like, oops, bumped it. And it slides back together really, really good. So great picture on the front, looks really good. Let me flip the camera back around to the normal way and turn off the light. Turn this off, get this over here, and show you what it looks like again without any fancy lights or anything like that. GunHed, check it out. Unit 507, 1/35th scale, 1/35th scale full action kit. Just so you see all the sides. I think I did before, but some really nice stuff. And it was around $130, I think, around there. It might be a little cheaper, a little more expensive, depending on where you get it. But until next time, everybody, we'll see you. This is awesome. So